In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete table columns here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you have converted some raw data into a table, this is what it's going to look like. So when you're done converting your data and you've noticed that you want to get rid of some of the columns or you don't need some of the columns that are in your table, all you have to do would be to delete those table columns. Here's how to do it. So you'll notice for each column on this table, there is a drop-down. And for that drop-down, you have different options. If we click on this one right here, we have the option to edit the column type, sort a column, filter, group by column, insert a table, or delete your table column. So that's the option that we're going to be selecting because again, we want to get rid of that column in our table. If we select this, there you have it. We have successfully deleted that end column right there. Let's say I want to get rid of another column in the middle of my table. I want to get rid of the customer name right here. So again, just click on that drop-down option and go to delete table column at the bottom. Click on that, and there you have it. You've successfully deleted those table columns to clean up your table here in Google Sheets. And that's how easy it is. You can clean up your table by deleting those table columns here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.